RuckaWorld.com.
Ali.
There's a black guy I don't like named Kony. It's not 'cause he's black, it's 'cause some other things. He took kids from their dads and moms, gave them grenades and guns and bombs. He has an army of small child because he's a gay pedophile. Listen to me, this kid's Ugandese. Will you help him get away from fucking Kony? Oh, this kid's Ugandese. Is he really all that different from like you and me? Let's send this kid back home and take Uganda's gold. These children are invisible. At night, these kids have gotta be fucking praying we invade their little gay country.
I am Kony, he's my homie. Everybody round here know me. Invisible children can blow me. White hippies won't overthrow me. I fight for free Zimbabwe. I'm fed for free at Subway. Oh look, it's time to pray.
These kids need us to stop